Punjab Chief Minister has written to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister for 50 metric tons additional oxygen allocation and 20 more tankers. The Punjab Chief Minister has sought intervention of both the Prime Minister and Home Minister to ensure uninterrupted supply of medical oxygen to the state in the wake of the rising cases in COVID-19. Amandeep joining us with more details. Amandeep.
Niranjan, more than 6,900 cases have reported in the last 24 hours with 157 deaths. That is a concern. That is why Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh is writing to Home Minister and Prime Minister for the intervention to uninterrupted supply of oxygen. Just because level 2 is facing the shortage, and level 2 is facing the shortage, and level 2 is the beds that are supplying the normal oxygen, and in fact they are facing the crisis at every center. 3 major centers have been set up in Punjab. That one is Patiala, another is in Ludhiana, third is in Amritsar. These are the 3 major centers, and they trio are facing the shortage of the oxygen. So that is why they are demanding more oxygen, just because it is another apprehension that the patients from Delhi and other states are also pouring into Punjab just because the availability of the beds. Beds are available, but shortage of the oxygen. That is why the Chief Minister is showing the concern, just because, Niranjan, when we have checked the ground level in Mohali also, they are also having the neck-to-neck supply and utilization. The moment they receive the oxygen, that is completely utilized accordingly. And in fact, they have no such spare of oxygen to deal with any kind of urgency. So that is why they are writing for the additional allocation of the oxygen. And in fact, Chief Minister has also requested all the private hospitals to kindly give the details of procured oxygen to all the government institutions so that to deal with the crisis, just because it is the time to join the hands. So somewhere down the line, Punjab is battling with the oxygen, just because the patients outside from the other states also, they are also getting the treatment inside the Punjab. And even there are certain hospitals, they are facing the crisis. Every day they are sending the alarms to the government institutions that shortage of oxygen, just few hours left for the oxygen, and patients have to deal with the oxygen crisis. So accordingly, they are managed. Neck to neck, the management is going on. But the Punjab wanting that the oxygen should be in a very spare manner so that they can deal with any kind of urgency. So let's wait and watch what kind of response will receive by Punjab Chief Minister from Prime Minister and Home Minister regarding this allocation of the oxygen. Earlier, Haryana has demanded the additional oxygen. They have already received it to deal with any kind of crisis. But now it's a time that the Punjab is facing the similar crisis. So let's wait and watch that how the crisis will be managed by the state of Punjab, just because so far there is so much shortage of oxygen itself. Yes, Niranjan.
Thank you for joining us with those details.